One thing that I get asked all the time is what will happen during live blood analysis. Hi, my name is Ferdy. I'm from Beyond Health in Hermanus, and I'm going to take you through exactly what's going to happen during a live blood analysis session. First thing is that live blood analysis is not just about the blood, but includes a lot of other things as well. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll look at a detailed personal history. So we'll get a sense of everything that has happened and everything that is going on as far as your body and health is concerned. What we'll do next is to discuss pH and how that works in your body. pH is the core way in which we understand health, and our position is to empower you to make the decision for yourself and to be able to look after your health. After we've had the discussion about pH, the next thing is we'll take a look at the blood under the microscope. From there, we'll get many cues and clues around what is going on. This is different to normal blood tests where you just look at numbers. What we look at in live blood analysis is the relationship between things and what that means. And then that way, what we can do is we can get to the root cause of what's going on and then support the body to make the changes that it needs to make. So after we've got that, bring that all together so that we get a comprehensive sense of what's going on, and we can then make a plan where we can support you. And we use that information to recommend the supplementation that you need to take. We can also use that to make recommendations as far as your diet is concerned and which foods are better for you and which are not. And we can also recommend some exercise, and often we can also suggest some mind stuff. So mind stuff meaning meditation and doing things to de-stress and so forth. And so usually we can incorporate all of those components in a detox, which is a body-mind detox. And you go off and you do that for 5 to 7 days if you choose to. And then when you come back, you experience a reset. And so we're going to look at the blood and see what has happened after you've done that. And so you can then see for yourself the changes that has taken place and what has happened. But what we want to do is we want to get your body just at that reset stage where it can start healing itself again. So once you've been through that reset, there's one of two things we can do. So for a lot of people, that means that their life and energy levels are resolved, and they can just continue, and they now know which foods work best with them, as well what are the supplements that they need to take from there on. If there is an underlying lingering issue, then we'll track that from month to month and make sure that the body does heal itself until that's completely gone as well. So for instance, if your gut isn't working the way that it should and there's been some dysbiosis and we want to get that gut balance back in, or that you need to deal with, then we can support that the best that we can. But that's not normally going to be resolved in 5 to 7 days. That's going to take a little bit longer. But we'll continue being there and assist you until that is completely cleared up.